In today's video, I'm going to show you how to promote Clickbank products without a website and with free traffic. Okay, how would you like to get results like this? With no tech skills, with no experience, and it's not going to cost you anything. It's going to be free. Now I'm going to show you how you can promote any product from any platform. Step by step. It's a complete step-by-step tutorial. We're going to use Clickbank, and if you're in one of the countries that can't get Clickbank, I'll show you. You can use Digistore 24, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, CJ. It doesn't matter the platform. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and just smashing that like button, and you'll get notified of future videos. So let's get started. Here we are over here at SlideShare. This is where we're going to get our free traffic. And if you have a look, it gets insane amounts of views. Like, look at this. Someone's uploaded that. 2.6 million views, 391,000 views, 800,000 views. And we can keep going down. Incredible. 1 million views, 1.2 million. So it gets an insane amount of traffic. Now, don't get too concerned. You don't have to create content to go up here. I'm going to show you in a moment where you can get free content that you can download as your own to use here. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is find an affiliate product to promote. And we're going to go over here to Clickbank. Clickbank is the oldest and one of the largest affiliate networks on the internet. And so people create products and then put them on Clickbank. Clickbank takes care of all the payment processing. They split up the profit to the vendor and to the affiliate, which is you. And there are thousands of products on here in many different categories. And look, it doesn't work in every country. There are a list of a small list of a few countries that you cannot use Clickbank. And if that's the case, you can go to a website like Digistore 24, which I listed at the beginning, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, even CJ, which used to be known as Commission Junction. All right, so it's free to sign up. Just go over here to the left where it says sign up, put in a few details. It's free to sign up, and then you'll get your nickname, which is what you were using to create your hop links. All right, so let's dive into the marketplace. So as you can see over here on the left, there is many categories or niches. Whatever you want a product in, you will find it here. Now, if you're reasonably new to affiliate marketing, there are three really evergreen and highly searched categories, and they are make money online, health, wealth, and relationships. So make money online, health, and of course relationships. Okay, so we're going to go over here to e-business and e-marketing. When that loads, we're just going to go through. I've chosen a product that I want to promote. And if you can have a look down here, you can filter by rank, and what I want to filter by is gravity. Possibly give me a similar. Sorry about that. The screen capture software was slowing the computer down. So you go through here and you'll see I've chosen this product here called the 12-minute affiliate system. Now, if you look here where my mouse is, it's going to pay $168 if you sell the product. We also want to look down here when we're looking for a product here, the gravity. Now, there are some products here that have got a gravity over 500. Now, if you're new, that's too competitive, because what gravity is the number of affiliates that have made at least one sale in the last 30 days, and a lot of them would have made more than one. So it's the number of affiliates that have made at least one sale in the last 30 days. So if you've got a gravity of 600, 700, that's a lot of people to compete with. Yes, the product's popular, but it's a lot of people to compete with. So get something, 50, 100, 150. This also has a recurring rebill here. So if you see that, it has a rebill, which means it pays you about $24 a month on top of that as well. Okay, so what we're going to need now is our affiliate link. Now, if you're logged in, so we click on the promote button here, and that'll bring up this box. Now, I'm not logged in, so I'm just going to put my link in. Now, if you were logged in, your account nickname would come up. And if you want to put a tracking ID, it's not necessary, but if you're going to be advertising in multiple places, you might want to put something in. I'm just going to put SlideShare in there, which I've already done. And then you click on Generate Hop Link, and then you're going to want to save this link. This is the link that you will get paid through, that you're going to promote your product with, and that's what identifies you, so that you're the one that gets the affiliate payment. Another thing that's really important, some products don't have them. If you have a look here, it says 12minuteaffiliate.com affiliates. Sometimes it might say JV. That will have a lot of resources for you to help you promote the product. Now, in this case, we're not going to be using many of them, but if you have a look there is a lot of, there might be images, there could be videos you could use, there could be emails that you could put in an autoresponder, all those sorts of things. So just check it out and make sure they have them, so that you've got access to that stuff. The ones that don't give it to you, it makes it much harder for you. And I've just taken you over to the sales page, or the video sales letter, so that you get a bit of an idea what it looks like, and make sure it's a good, read through it or listen to it, watch it, because if you feel compelled to buy it, it's working. And so you want something like that will compel other people. No good driving traffic to an offer that's going to have a lousy sales letter, video sales page that doesn't convert. Okay, so before I told you I would show you where you get your content that you could use, and in a moment I will show you how to put all that together. So if we go over here to this website called Free PLR Downloads. Now the product we're promoting is on affiliate marketing. So if you have a look, these books are here for you to download, to be able to use and do what you like with yourself. So just click on download and download it to computer. Then I'll show you what to do with it from there. So what we're going to do is download it. We're going to do a couple little modifications, which I'll show you what to do in a moment. Then we're going to re-upload it again to SlideShare, where we will get tons of traffic. You saw the traffic views there before. So we'll get that traffic, and that will drive people to your affiliate offer when we've modified it, and that's how you're going to get sales. And this is what you can see once you've downloaded what you get. And this is what we're interested here is the PDF. In this case, Super Affiliate Marketing Edges, it's called. It gives you other things there that we're not going to worry about. The squeeze page, the ebook cover, all those sorts of things. What we want is the PDF. Now we're going to go to another website so that we can edit this. So all we've done here, we're going to upload a PDF to PDF Escape. We click on choose where we've got it downloaded to. So we browse here to our folder where we've got it, click on open, and that will upload in a second. And there you can see it's all uploaded, 72 pages of it. Now what happens, we're going to put some links in here so that people that are interested in affiliate marketing read through here, and they're going to get the opportunity to go and get some more training, which will be our affiliate link to the product. And because of the amount of traffic we get here, there'll be a large number of people that look at this. There'll be some that click on the link and go through, and for every sale you get $160 odd. So if you want to make $1,000 a week, and you need to get 5 sales a week, not very hard to do. Now you'll see that I've put this. I just clicked on the text box here. I've copied and pasted. What you do is you drag a box, and you put your text in there. Now what we're going to do, so we'll go through and do that. It's a 70-page book, so we might do it 4 or 5 times throughout the book where space permits. And then what we're going to do is put our hyperlink in there. So now I've got my hyperlink, or my affiliate link. It will become a hyperlink. So what we want to do, and you can use this wording or something similar, whatever you're comfortable with. So we click over here on where it says link. Then as you can see, it brings up the box, and you can put that long raw link in there. What I've done, I've actually put I've shortened it. Let me look. So you get the idea. So go through, put it, depending on the size of the book. So I would do it on this book. You don't have to use this one. You can use any of the others. I'd probably put it through here 4 or 5 times. Okay. The other thing I noticed going through here, this book has some other affiliate links in there. I would go through and unlink those links. Otherwise, you're going to be they're driving traffic. Unlink them or put your affiliate, take the affiliate link out, just unlink them and just put the big box, the red text that I've shown you. Okay, so once you've completed that, you click over here on the green download button and you just click on save and download your PDF. Okay, so now we've downloaded our edited PDF file. So we come back over here to SlideShare. Now, if you haven't set up your account yet, what you need to do is go over to LinkedIn, sign up for an account there. Pretty straightforward. It's free. Then when you come back here, you can log in using your LinkedIn username. And if you're getting great value out of this video, why not subscribe and smash that bell icon to be notified when I post further videos. Alright, so now you've got your account set up. We come here, you'll need to, I think they send you an email which you have to verify as well. So now we just come to upload. We're going to upload our PDF file, and this is how we're going to get traffic. Okay, so you can see upload with our select. Okay, so now we've got that sorted. So back here to upload, select the files to upload, or you can drag them, whichever's easier, whichever you prefer. So just let that upload. Now this is really important, this section here, one of the most important things. Now you'll want to wait till the end. I've got something that I want to tell you shortly. So here we are. So, you need to choose a category, keep it public, and the tags. And don't worry about the description. We'll go back and get that. You don't need to write that. But the tags and the category that you choose are really, really important. This is what will have you get discovered. All right, so for the description, here we are. We've come back here to our download site. We're just going to copy and paste that. Well, that's just made a lie of me. I think it's maybe in a PDF format there, or it's locked. So you'll just have to type it into the description box. Sorry about that. Okay, so I've did a description. I had to type it, couldn't do it. Now I would go for business. Now the tags are how it will get found. So we need to use relevant, highly searched tags so that when people search for that these, our product shows up. All right, so I've put some tags in here, some highly searched ones: affiliate marketing, online business tips, online business ideas, how to make money online, how to make money, free money, work from home online. Now, that's pretty well it. So then you just publish, and, then you'll get traffic coming to your PDF. From that, people will click on your links and some will buy. Now, what you can do, the great thing about this is you just sit back and wait. But I wouldn't do that. I'd just go and do it for another product and another product and another product. And I'd even consider doing it in multiple niches. You'll find, maybe you'll find your happy spot in a different niche than what you first started with. But get into it. That's how you promote Clickbank products without a website, with free traffic in 2021. SlideShare will get you tons of traffic. And, and you'll make a lot of money. Do this right, get it right. It might take a little while to get some motion, but it will make you money. It's one of the best ways to promote Clickbank products without a website for free. Now, if you've got great value from this, please consider subscribing and smash that like button, the bell icon, to be notified of any future videos. I post videos regularly every week. Now, there is a couple of links in the description below that you might want to have a look at. There's some further training if you want to avail of that.